Good afternoon. Welcome to Options Tender. This is a members video. We're taking a look at a setup on PayPal. To the long side, this is a falling wedge breakout setup. I believe the stock already broke out and is backtesting, is now setting up once again. So I think this is one of the best looking setups that I've seen in quite some time. And let's look at it from the top down. All right, so we have on the monthly time frame, we have PayPal. This initial move here does appear to be impulsive, maybe a 5-wave move here, and a really deep retracement. Now, although we are bearish on the market, we're looking for a bottom and maybe a one more top on SPY. Still, even though we took a nasty breakdown here, we're still looking for one more high and possibly a lower high in the Qs. But PayPal has some catching up to do, even if it's just a retracement, a 50% retracement or so. We'll take a look at that on the Elliott wave. I do believe this move is over with a possible, even if you're bearish on it, you have a B, and then a ending diagonal here for C. If you're a bear, you might have, sorry, I said that wrong. If you're bullish, this is an ABC, where you have the A initially, 5-wave impulsive move, a B, and then a ending diagonal here for C. If you're a bear, then you're looking at this being an impulsive move with 5 waves down, with still the ending diagonal, and then we're looking for some sort of retracement, maybe 50, 60. Okay. Looking at the reversal indicator, we have a monthly crossover, a bullish crossover on the monthly time frame. That's hugely bullish. This is also a play in my IRA. We have the positive divergence here, both on the MACD and the RSI, and we're getting a reversal signal buy signal here on the long time frame. Okay, looking at the weekly, and stick around, it's going to look really good after a while. So we have a channel. This is a potential channel here that I mapped out that we rejected on in the weekly time frame, but I do suspect that going into next week and beyond, that will break out from here. So again, the indicators, we might even have it a D-mark. I didn't check that yet. I haven't updated this in a while, so I'm kind of doing this with you. No signal from the D-mark except for way back here. So we're looking at also the positive divergence here, and we're kind of setting up on the weekly. And I guess I'll put this, I'll go to the Elliott wave for a big picture look here. Let's see, from the top, I'll redraw this from the bottom here. Even if you're looking to be a bear, you should suspect that there might be, maybe I should do this on the monthly. Sorry guys. Yeah, I just want to get that very top here. Okay. Now, even if you're a bear, you're looking for at least a 50, 60% retracement. I totally did this upside down. But this is still going to be the area for the retracement. Jeez. Let's flip this around. And it's not going to be exact. Okay, so we're going to look around the 180 area as being our target here in the long run. Right now in the lower time frame, on the Elliott wave look, we have from the bottom to the top here, we had a 62% retracement in that time frame. And then also on the 65, we have this bottom to top, and I'll show you again. We have the 60% retracement. So really, this is a 1-2, 1-2 setup here. And if we look at the traditional technical analysis, we have this drawn out as a wedge on the daily time frame. So we already had the breakout right here and a back test, and we're setting up again. Okay, this is actually a new low here, so we're just now setting up a lower time frame structure, and we're over the 200 MA. We have, you see all the moving averages, whole cluster here is supporting, and we're pushing off the 8 EMA. So the momentum is starting to go to the upside. We're looking really, really good on the setup, and we should see the stock fly over 68 on the 65 minute. We have our setup here. We have a new low. We had the big move on the earnings, and retrace back with the market and setting up this nice leg here. So on the Elliott wave, we have the 1, 2 setup. So wave 1 and 2, and our target on this, if you take your extension tool, you take the first wave down to the potential bottom of this wave, and you look for the 160, 162. So we're looking at about 77.5 going into the next couple weeks here. I think we'll get that sooner than later. This is a very impulsive wave, wave 3. So we should see that probably going into next week, but I have my expiration out to the 16th. All right, that's what I got for you. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.